In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to quickly refactor your code. The page we'll be refactoring is our property details page over here on the right. So I'll go ahead and give our prompt here. We'll tell the model, refactor the property detail.jsx page using the following guidelines. Separate each component into its own file. Keep the display identical to how it is now. Place the new individual components correctly on the page. Do not change any page function, structure, or styling. Keep a consistent file structure, and then just to make sure all the new components are properly linked to the page and there's no visible changes after this. I'm going to go ahead and send that with codebase as context. So you'll see our plan here on the left. It's going to take several steps, creating a new subdirectory for the components, creating all the separate subcomponents themselves, and then refactoring the main page. You can see our code is generating down here. And you'll notice that this is actually a single page, so nothing is broken out into subcomponents. And the page is about 450 lines to start off. So we'll see how much that changes after the refactoring is complete. You can see our pending changes here on the side, all our new components. You can go ahead and accept all of that. You should see no visible change on the page here. That's correct. Everything is still working as intended. And now you'll see our property detail page is only 220 lines, so less than half the length.